Good morning, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful night rest. So let's look at today's analysis. Today's 12th of September 2024, and we have a couple of high impact news. Uh, Underlining. Um, okay, so by 1:15 p.m., we are having main refinancing rate, which is also known as an interest rate for euro and also monetary policy statements. So by 1:15, we have a impact news on euro currencies like all euro currencies, euro USD, euro CHF, euro CAD, euro JPY, euro NZD, euro GBP. Euro is a base currency, so we need to look towards what will happen and how this will also affect the market. And also, we are looking towards if the actual, like I said in class yesterday, if the actual is greater than the forecast and it is written in green color, then we should look towards buying euro. But if it is not, to all euro pairs, we look towards selling them. Okay, we look towards selling euro. By 1:30, also 15 minutes later, we have core PPI monthly, and unemployment claims. So unemployment claims, this is the money that has been paid to unemployed workers. So if this unemployment claim is high, then it means it's negative for the currency. It means that there are a lot of unemployed workers for the month of August. But if it is low, it is a good indication for USD and also PPI and core PPI. So PPI is producer um, power index. Okay, so that's what PPI is. So it's been released by Bureau of Labor Statistics. So this also is a monthly news data that is released. So if this actual is greater than forecast and is written in green color, we are going to buy dollar, which is currencies like USD CAD, USCHF, USDPY. We look towards bullish sentiment, or if they are not, then we look towards bearish sentiment for them. So unemployment claims by 1:30 today, 1:15, we are experiencing high impact news on euro and also US dollar. And by 1:45 p.m., 15 minutes after the ECB press conference. So this today for euro pairs and also dollar pairs, we need to be extremely careful so we will not, you know, make a mistake and also trade at the wrong time. Okay, let's look at the chart so we can know what is happening in the market. We can envisage what we are expecting and all for the market. Can you all see my chart, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Mike.
Yes, we can see it. Good morning, Mike. Good morning.
Okay, so daily time frame today, dollar indices. Due to the news on daily time frame, we are having a rejection at this support zone. So I'll be looking forward to most bullish sentiment for dollar. Okay, more bullish sentiment for dollar. But I think something is wrong. Okay, yeah, okay. Much more bullish sentiment for USDX, in as much that these candlesticks did not, there was a volatility. I think something happened in the midnight, which I am not aware of. So we are going to look towards what is happening around here. But then I will look forward to a sell to buy scenario for dollar. Sell to buy means we wait for a retracement before we push forward for movement in the market. So I'll wait for price to probably come down to 101.490 before pushing to the upside. So let's look at some dollar pair like USD CHF. So there's no doubt USD CHF will continue its bullish sentiment for today. So because we have market take out this low, but hasn't taken out this high. Oh, CPI was wonderful yesterday. Mr. Victor took the CPI, but our trade did not trigger. I traded not trigger yesterday. So ESHF is at this resistance, but we are expecting. I'm actually looking towards for a breakout. I'm looking towards for a breakout at this high. So where am I? What am I expecting? I'm expecting the retracement at this engulf, this zone, right? So we could expect price to, you know, push down, retrace, or probably down to this level, and boom to the upside, because we have price taking out this low, right? But unable to take out this high. So the reason why we are still going to have much pressure from sellers is because this area has poised to be a very, very strong resistance zone. So we need market to retrace a little bit before breaking. And once price breaks it, then we wait for a retest before we buy. So I think the strategy we're going to look towards is break and retest strategy. So and the the necessary take profits region will be here, because this is also an high. So market created this high. We need market to break this high before we sell USDCHF. Okay, so we also need to be extremely patient for the market to occur. So you can see the movement is happening, the sell is happening, and probably we look towards this level. This zone. Let me see if no, there's no need. I wanted to say we should sell down to this level. I mean, we should sell down to 85820 region, but I didn't see any confirmation yet. Probably until price break through this level, and I don't sell when market is closer or market is move away from the resistance. So once this support is broken and it's retested, then it's telling us that we are going down very, very well for some zones like this level, because this is a resistance become support area. All right. Also these zones as well. These zones as well. So these are areas where market could react and start moving to the what upside. So what I'm looking towards at the moment, I'm looking towards this level get broken and we tested before we look towards selling USDCHF. So I'll be watching it and I'll give us further updates in our funded clients group. So let's go to another pair. Let's go to USD card. Okay, for USD card, USD card has given us a very, very good solid structure for a proper sell. But I'm looking at this level also, because this is a failed engulfing candle at this level, or a failed engulfing pattern here, right? So also the same thing that I am looking at, probably during the PPI, we could have another market sentiment, or probably the buy could happen. But for now, yes, the sellers are still very, very much in the market, especially when market took out this low. I actually saw the sell yesterday. I wanted to drop it, but market has gone. And we also have a break of market structure here. If the distance is not too far, I would have said probably should take a sell. I probably expect a retracement, and 2 pips is too much. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to retrace, because we have market break this low. Market have to break this support. Market breaks this support level, right? And form the short retracement, then move to the downside. So we could also have price moving down to this support region and probably start moving to the upside. But at the moment, USD card is still also bearish, but we need to wait for a retracement. And what am I looking out for? For a proper retracement, I'm looking at this zone. So we have an engulfing here. So once market rejects 1.35695 area, I would love to sell USD card. So USD card is still bearish. We have a couple of reasons to sell USD card, but we need to wait for a market retracement. We need to wait for a market retracement before we sell USD card. before we sell USD card. Okay, so let's continue. So we go to gold. Okay, so we go to gold. Okay, now let's look at gold. What happened? Gold has shown that it will still remain bullish. To still go up. Okay, it has shown that it still remains bullish, and you can see market rejected this failed engulfing pattern, and we are seeing continuations to the upside. Also this level as well. So 4 hours time frame, the sell that occurred yesterday could not break this low, so hence we are very, very bullish. Although market is at approaching this resistance, which you need to be extra careful at this level. You can see, because this is where beginning of that sell comes from. So what are we looking towards? I'm looking towards two things. Probably a mild rejection, retracement, the price moves to the upside, just like what I am anticipating also for USCHF. Probably we could have market retracement from here, then continue moving to the upside, because this is also an engulfing zone. So this is a support level for gold. That is a support level for gold, and I'm not going to say we should sell now, because selling at the moment means we are trading against the trend. So this level is a support level for gold. I'm expecting price to tap into that level and probably, give us necessary range, tap into this level and start moving to the upside. Because gold did not break this previous low. We have triple rejections, and it's telling us that we are still moving up to the upside, but market is at this resistance. So we need to see what will happen if this current market closes with a solid rejection and has broken a previous low, probably has broken this support level, or this support level, then we can take off selling. So at the moment, we just still need to wait. We need to be patient for what will happen in the very, very market. Okay, so market has not set up for us to have a solid entry, but we will still also be looking at towards some trades, some pairs that we could also, place our trades for this morning. Okay, so let's look at GBP/USD. So, GBP/USD market is rejecting this level. So market has tapped into this zone. We are looking towards a very, very strong bullish sentiment for us to buy GBP/USD. But another thing is here, there is a resistance at that level. So on 4 hours time frame, we could see a little push. We could view some push to this level before we sell, like this, like what happened here. You can see what happened here. This was the support, becomes resistance, also might literally happen at this level. So we also need to be very, very patient. Like I said, this morning, we are in a retracement phase, right? So we are in a retracement phase. We shouldn't pick trade anyhow. Okay. We shouldn't pick trade anyhow, because we are in what? Retracement phase. So we shouldn't trade against the trend. Okay, this is support also become resistance on 1 hour time frame, but let's see how market will come of it. And we are not going to drop signal immaturely, or thank you very much, Mr. Audi. We are not going to drop signal when the market has not fully formed and fully confirmed. So we need more confirmations for this entry. We need more confirmations for this sell entry. Hence, I would have told us to sell, but we also need more confirmations for this sell entry. So we can see probably a push down. The downside is imminent because market is at this resistance. Support become resistance, support become resistance, and it's at resistance here. But we've not gotten a full confirmation because market can just slow down a little bit, then move to the upside, and we are hit with a stop loss. So we need to wait for further confirmations before entry into this bear market, as I'm saying. And we will also be looking at it. We'll also be looking at it to see if there is going to be an entry, and we are also going to inform us on the funded client group. Also on daily time frame, we are also looking towards this same level. It is very glaring that market is on a downtrend. It has shown a bearish sentiment even on daily time frame for Euro USD. So on 4 hours time frame, we are also looking at this level. My high probability setup is just market, getting to this resistance becomes support region, which is here. Also, if you look at it on 1 hour time frame, we are also seeing the same thing. We are also seeing the same thing. So this also is part of it. Okay, so looking towards this level, support becomes resistance. Then we hope to see how the market will react at this zone. So we need to wait and also see prepare for probably a proper sell after proper confirmations. Okay, we've done gold, we've done Euro USD, we've done GBP USD, USCHF. So the last one, a special request, let's go to GBP JPY before we round up this morning analysis. But don't forget, once we have good signals, we are going to drop it on the funded client group. Please, if you are not a funded client with PE Prime, kindly fund your account and register today at www.peprime.com. Fund your account, and also you get a lot of profitable signals. Yesterday, we had signals on gold, and it was highly profitable. Today, also, once we have a good entry, we are going to share it with proper analysis. So if you are not there, you are missing a lot. So for daily time frame on GBP JPY, I would say we have a very solid rejection at this level. Solid rejection at this level, and we also have a resistance here. So we also have a resistance. 4 hours time frame, also the same thing. So market needs to break that resistance before moving to the downside. Market needs to break this resistance before moving to the upside. But we have not seen, okay, I see something here in 4 hours. I see a failed engulfing on 4 hours time frame. Yes, a failed engulfing on 4 hours time frame. So this is a resistance, a market rejected it. It's very clearing on 1 hour time frame for GPJPY. So what am I expecting? Once I see a rejection at this price level, I will buy. So probably we should use a buy stop order, but market is very close to this resistance. So we still sit down and watch how event will unfold also for GBP okay? How event will unfold also for GBP but this area is a very strong support region. a very strong support region for the buy stop 47 pips, stop loss 62 pips is too much. So we also wait and order. Yes, please close the order. The order that didn't trigger the Euro USD. We can close the order. Close the order. Just delete the order, the Euro USD order that was dropped on CPI yesterday. You can close the order, okay? I think GBP will sell. I'm coming. Okay. Okay. Let's sell GBP now. Stop loss. Then we have TP1 here. TP1 here. Then TP2. So GBP sell now. 46 pips to make 58 pips. So let's see. We have a rejection here. We have a solid rejection here. This is a solid rejection. But it's also at this support. I'm coming. Let's sell. Probably it's okay. Sell stop will be nice. Sell stop order here. So GBP sell stop GBP sell stop at 186.022 TP1 185.560 TP2 185.415. Okay, 0.415. Okay. SL is going to sell. It's going to, it might sell, not in myself. I'm looking at more sales confirmations because you have a break. I'll explain something, but you can sell. Then SL 18, let's give it 186.400, 186.400. Okay, so that's this morning. Eventually we have a signal, but GBP. Okay, I think that's that for today. Let me drop this on funded client group and we'll wrap it up.
Good
Okay.
morning, Uncle Mike.
Yes, good morning.
Please, I want to make, sorry.
Yes, I'm listening.
Hello? And please, I want to make inquiry about BTC USD. Is this still selling? Is this still
Okay, I'll check it.
going down?
I'll
Thank you.
check it now. So sell
Thank you.
stop at 186.022, SL 186.400, TP1 185.560. TP2 185.415. Okay. Okay, so let's check BTC and round it up. I've taken this instant sell on my personal account, so I've taken an instant sell on my account, GPPJPY, instant sell. Okay, so BTC. Just give me a minute, please. GPPJPY. Okay. I'm taking 2 positions for a sell. Okay. I made it 3. Okay, so please don't over leverage your account. Don't over leverage your account. Just a moment. Okay, so let's go to BTC and round it up. Okay, so Bitcoin. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I have to also place that on my trading account. Okay, so Bitcoin is at a resistance. BTC is at a resistance here. So I can see I'm hoping for a possible rejection and a break above this level. I'm seeing probably presence of sellers in this market. Presence of sellers in this market. So BTC has tendency of moving down to 57,425. That's tendency of moving down to 57,425. So I'll be bearish this morning on BTC. I'll be bearish this morning on BTC.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So have a wonderful time, everybody. Don't forget, today's an advanced class. You can come to our physical office at number 50 Ebitu Kiwe Street in Abuja here, Workout Connect Building. Jabi also in our Lagos office, number 54B, Adeni Jones, Ikeja. We dropped a signal GPJPY. Okay, thank you. We drop a signal on GPJPY and let's see how it goes. Have a wonderful training time, everybody. Bye-bye.
Have a great day.